Today we are going to discuss about the delete statement in SQL. So the delete statement is used to delete the existing record in the table. How? You know very well that I have few records, 6 records. Now if you want to delete the record from the table, how can you delete that? This is the syntax. You have to use the delete keyword. Which table? From students. You are saying, oh, I'm going to delete something from statement. Something means a row. Okay, now I'm saying that where condition goes here. How? I'm saying delete from student where id, that means SID equals to 1. That means I'm saying I'm going to delete a record from the table where the ID is 1. So as you know, you have one ID, this one. So I'm going to delete this row. Make sure you always delete the row. You cannot delete the column. Okay. Now I'm saying control enter. So execute your query. I'm saying select static from student, control enter. So now as you know, as you can see, you have just deleted the record. But be careful. If you are deleting the record from the specific table, you have to use the where clause, the unique ID, to delete the particular record from a particular table. If you are not using the unique name or the unique ID, that means as you can see you have one record. If you are saying, oh, delete for suppose if I am saying insert into students, I'm not going to add. Now I am saying values are, wait for a few seconds so I can perform the delete operation. Now I am saying the values are is Shekhzi. Now I am saying XYZ. Here I am saying, here is my syntax. Control enter. I have just inserted the record. I am saying that select static from students, control enter to execute your query. So now as you can see, you have 2 records with the name Shekhzi. Now if I am saying that delete from students where S name, I have just changed my keyboard, that's why I'm facing the difficulties, where S name equals to Shekhzi. Now as you know, we have 2 records with name Shekhzi. So if you are doing this, that means you are going to delete the record. So now I have just deleted. Now I am saying select static from students, control enter. So now as you know, you have just deleted the 2 records. So before deleting anything or before updating anything, you have to specify which record you are going to update or delete. So that's why while deleting anything from the table, you have to use the unique column or the unique field or the unique number. For suppose these are the auto generated number or automatically because we use the auto increment. So that's why whenever you insert the record, it's automatically increment with 1. So that's why it's showing us 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now if I'm saying I want to delete the record from students table without giving any where clause. So now hit the control enter. Now use the select direct from students, control enter. So now as you can see, you have deleted all the records from the tables. So you have to specify the where clause to delete or update the records. So that's why. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. In the next session we are going to cover some other topics. Thank you for watching.